All right, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the interactive map. To get to the interactive map, you go to the Little Salmon Collaborative Watershed page. You'll see a static map on there, a picture of a map. If you click on that map, you're going to see this is the map that comes up. And the purpose of this interactive map is to be able to explore this watershed to better understand things like land ownership, such as private versus federal, things like fish distribution, TMDLs, this is impaired streams within the watershed, and water quality monitoring locations. So again, when you click on this map, this is the first thing you're going to see. The nice thing is you can zoom in and out on this map. You can grab it, you can move it around. It's very interactive. And again, you can click on certain items and get more information, like we're looking at Lake Fork Rapid River right now. And so you can kind of be able to move in and out of these maps and zoom in and out a little easier. Okay, so when we're looking at this map here, we have our legend to the left. The legend is color-coded to show specific attributes. So in here, we can see this is where there is a sediment TMDL over here. We can see that this is the streams, Little Salmon River. As we scroll down, we can see land management. We can see where BLM property is, as an example, and we can see the boundary of the Little Salmon watershed. So in order to use this map efficiently, you can toggle between this show map legend, or you can go to show contents of the map. If we click on the show contents of the map, you're going to find that we can turn layers on and off. So I'm going to turn off all the layers right now. And the reason why I'm doing this is sometimes these maps get pretty busy. So as we go down, we can see I want to turn on the Little Salmon River watershed boundary. This is what we're talking about. We can look at land management, and it's color coded. We can turn on the streams. We can turn on the Little Salmon River. It shows right through there. Which national forests, TMDLs. And again, these TMDLs, this is the total maximum daily loads. This is a maximum amount of pollutants allowed to enter in a water body. And so these legends will show where there's an exceedance of a specific nutrient or temperature or things like that. We can also turn on Chinook salmon habitat. This is a layer publicly available from NOAA. We can turn on bull trout layer. And again, this is a layer that comes from Fish and Wildlife Service. And we can turn on proposed steelhead critical habitat. This is where we know steelhead are located. And then we can turn on the IDEQ, Idaho Department of Environmental Quality. This is their monitoring locations. And as you can see, when we have all these layers on, it becomes very busy. And so if we go back to our legend, we can see we have a lot of stuff on this map. And so maybe in order to be more efficient, I'm going to turn off a series of these items so I can kind of look at exactly what I want to look at in accordance with other items. You also can change the base map if you wanted to look at this in satellite or any of these kind of different imageries. We can do that. Or we can just leave it as is. So that's basically how to use this interactive map. Have fun exploring this watershed.